Hi, hello everyone. So today we're going to have a look at substitution. Okay, so what's substitution and why is it quite important? Well, up until now we've been looking at expressions, how to add and subtract different types of expressions and terms within those expressions, how to multiply an expression by a constant and see what happens, how to multiply it by a coefficient and a variable and see what happens. We've done all that in the previous two videos. So what happens when we get it all done? What do we do then? So for example, here's an expression. Now on its own, it's kind of doesn't do anything unless you know what those variables are. And this is where substitution comes into. What happens if you're told what the variables are? Then suddenly this becomes something you can solve. So if x is 2, then this really is 2 times 2. If y is 3, then this is really 7 is still there. So that gives you 4 plus 9 plus 7, which is 20. So you actually get an answer. So that's what substitution is for. Okay? So it's quite important. We're going to play around with substitution and see how we can use it. Okay? So let's try another one. We'll keep the x and y as 2 and 3 going just for this next example. Okay? So let's have a look. So there's a number of ways you could do this. You could substitute inside the brackets and get that bit and then double the answer. Or you could distribute 2 and then substitute in. It's either way is totally up to fine. Personally, I think you should probably do the brackets first, do inside the brackets first, and then double it. So this is really going to be 2 times 3 times 2 plus 5 times 3. Okay, so that's 2 times 6 plus 15, which is 6 plus 15 is 21. 2 21s are 42. Okay, all right, we'll try another one, but we'll use different letters this time. Okie dokie. Let's have a go at one here. P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to minus 2. And I want to do 4P plus 2Q. Okay, now I want you to give it a go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, pause and try it. And I'm back. All right, let's have a look at this one. 4 times 3 plus 2 times minus 2. That's 12. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And obviously that plus disappears. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So that expression is actually 8 when you substitute in those two values for the variables. That's interesting. Right, let's try another one. Right, let's try one here. Let's do A and Q. A is equal to minus 3 and Q is equal to minus 2. Okay. All right, let's have a look at what we can do here. Minus 3A minus 2Q. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you a chance to do it, but don't worry if it goes wrong on you. You might get stuck on the signs, but if you're getting the substitution right, that's the important thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. And we're back. Right, let's try this one. Minus 3 times minus 3. I'm substituting minus 3 for A. Minus 2 times minus 2. Now, a calculator will do this for you, but I'm obviously going to try it without the calculator. Minus 3 times minus 3, minus by minus is plus, 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 2 times minus 2, minus times minus is plus, 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm getting unlucky for some 13. Okay? Sorry, no. Fix that a little bit. Cool. We'll try another one down here. We'll use these two variables again. Let's try another one. 2a times q plus 3 plus q times 4a plus 2. Ooh. Now, again, up to you to which way you want to do it. Personally, I would work out the bracket first and then distribute the 2a. Work out the bracket first and then distribute, rather than distribute first, because then you'll just get more messy. It's easier just to do get inside the bracket down to one single number, which you can by substitution. So I'm going to give it 3 to 1, let you try it. If you don't, you can just hold on a second and we'll go through it. 3, 2, 1, pause and try it. And we're back. Right, so let's do what's inside the bracket first. I'm going to replace the q with minus 2. I can actually, and I'm just going to replace the 4a with 4 times minus 3. Now, what's this? That's 2a times 1 plus q times, that's minus 12 plus 2. So 2a times 1 is 2a plus q times minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10. Now, 2 times a, that's 2 times minus 3, plus q, which is minus 2, times minus 10. What are we left with here? Minus 6 plus 20 equals 14. Okay, cool. Right, we'll try 2 more. So substitution is quite doable once you kind of have an idea of what to go at. Okay, we'll try 2 new ones. M is equal to 4, and n for nice is equal to minus 2. Okay, so let's try one. 4 times 2m plus n plus 3 times 5m minus n. Okay. These are tougher. So again, try and take them in stages. Get the brackets done first and get a single number, and then you can just multiply it by 4. Get the brackets done, then you get a single number, multiply it by 3, and then your 2 answers, that type of thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. And we're back. Right. 4, 2 times m, that's 2 times 4 plus n plus a minus 2. Plus 3 times 5 times m. Now be careful here. That's a minus 2. That's a plus 2. Be careful there. That minus and that minus are 2 separate minuses. When they come together, they make a plus. So that's 4 times 8 minus 2 plus 3 times 20 plus 2. That's 4 times 6 plus 3 times 22. That's 24 and 66. Isn't it? Yeah, 24 and 66 is 90. Now, you can do this on the calculator, of course. You know, at any stage here, you could have done all that line on the calculator. But, you know, it's good for your own arithmetic to be able to do it. You know, 24 plus 66, I'm just double checking it is 90. Because sometimes, you know, even I get these wrong. Okay, we'll try another one, but we're still going to keep the m and n. Okay? Right. Let's get a bit tougher, shall we? Okay. What about this one? M over 8 plus n over 8. How am I going to do this one? Right, give it a shot. 3, 2, 1, go. And we're back. Right, so let's have a look at this one then. M is 4. You can see that. M is 4. So that's 4 over 8 plus n is minus 2. So that becomes a minus 2 over 8. Well, 4 over 8 minus 2 over 8. 4 minus 2 is 2 over 8, which is a quarter. No, there you go. Just a nice little cheeky one there. So that's substitution. So again, look over these videos, pause and try a few of them yourself. They get progressively harder as the video goes on, but they should be very doable. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.